What's up guys, so welcome back again to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop video looping right on your iPhone devices. Okay, so first of all, let's see, maybe it is a fact, all right? Some people do not know, okay, what is video looping, right? And what does it mean when we say that, right? So for example, let's say that I have this video, okay? Now this video starts playing, right? Okay, when I choose it to watch it, right? And it starts over, all right, when it reaches the end, okay, as you can see. So, I mean, this means that, all right, this video is looping, right? So it's starting over. To stop this, right, you've got two ways, all right? The first one is go to the settings, all right, and then scroll down to the apps, okay, and go to the photos, all right, tap on that one. And loop videos, turn it off. All right, go back. Let's see, going back to the photos. All right, choosing the video, it starts playing, okay, and it stops. Right. The other way to do this, which is and we could say yes, easier. All right, tap on this icon, all right, which is the profile icon. Tap on that one, all right, and then that option is available here. All right, instead of going to the to the settings, okay, you can turn it on from here, right, and turn it off. And of course, there are like many other options available here, right, but it is not our subject for this video. So I hope it helped. Share with your friends and consider subscribing to our channel to see more videos like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.